This is a straightforward software comparison. An AI voice guides the walkthrough. Adobe Photoshop sits firmly in the premium category, and its pricing reflects that position. Instead of a one-time purchase, access is provided through an ongoing subscription model, which immediately frames it as a long-term investment rather than a casual tool. This approach makes sense for professionals who rely on Photoshop daily, but it can feel heavy for hobbyists who only edit occasionally. The subscription gives you continuous updates, cloud integration, and compatibility across devices, which is a big part of what you're paying for, even if that cost adds up over time. What really justifies the pricing for many users is the sheer depth of features. Photoshop is not just an image editor, it's a full creative environment. You get advanced photo retouching tools, non-destructive editing through layers and masks, powerful selection methods, content-aware fills, AI-assisted features, professional typography controls, and precise color management. It's equally comfortable handling photography, digital painting, compositing, UI mockups, social media graphics, and even light video work. Integration with other Adobe apps means files move smoothly between tools, which is critical for studio workflows and agency teams. Another major strength is Photoshop's adaptability. Beginners can start with basic adjustments and presets, while advanced users can dive into actions, scripting, and automation. Brushes are endlessly customizable. Plugins expand functionality even further, and the ecosystem around Photoshop is massive. Tutorials, presets, templates, and community support are everywhere, which lowers the learning curve despite the software's complexity. On top of that, Photoshop's pricing also covers long-term reliability and industry acceptance. Many clients, agencies, and production teams expect Photoshop file formats as a standard, which adds indirect value beyond the tool itself. The ability to open, edit, and deliver universally recognized files can save time and prevent workflow issues. While this doesn't reduce the cost, it does strengthen Photoshop's position as a professional necessity rather than just another editing app. However, the pros come with clear trade-offs. The subscription pricing can feel restrictive, especially if you stop paying and lose access to the software. Performance can also be demanding on older hardware, making it less accessible for users without powerful machines. The interface, while incredibly capable, can feel overwhelming, and mastering Photoshop takes time and consistent practice. For simple illustration or quick edits, it may feel like overkill. In short, Photoshop's pricing makes the most sense for professionals, content creators, photographers, and designers who need industry-standard tools and consistent updates. The features are unmatched in flexibility and depth, but the cost, learning curve, and system requirements mean it's not the perfect fit for everyone. It's a powerhouse, but one that asks for commitment in return. Affinity Studio follows a very different pricing philosophy compared to subscription-based creative software. Instead of ongoing payments, Affinity offers a one-time purchase model for each application in the suite, giving users permanent access once they buy it. This approach is especially appealing to freelancers, small studios, and independent creators who want professional tools without recurring costs. The absence of subscriptions means you can keep using the software long-term, even if you skip future upgrades, which gives a strong sense of ownership and financial predictability. The Affinity Studio ecosystem is made up of 3 tightly integrated applications designed for different creative needs. Affinity Photo focuses on advanced photo editing and retouching. Affinity Designer handles vector illustration and UI design, and Affinity Publisher is built for layout, publishing, and print work. Together, they form a powerful alternative to traditional all-in-one creative suites. Features include non-destructive editing, advanced layer control, precise color management, professional typography tools, vector and raster workflows, and seamless switching between apps for complex projects. Performance is fast and optimized, even on large files, making it suitable for both print and digital production. One of Affinity Studio's biggest strengths is its professional-level capability without unnecessary complexity. The interface is clean and modern, allowing users to focus on creative work instead of navigating cluttered menus. Designers can move between photo editing, vector illustration, and layout tasks without exporting files back and forth, which saves time and reduces workflow friction. The software also supports industry-standard file formats, making collaboration with other professionals easier. For creators working across branding, social media, publishing, and marketing materials, Affinity Studio offers a flexible and efficient workflow. Beyond the software itself, Affinity Studio benefits from a growing global community of designers and photographers who share templates, assets, workflows, and tutorials. This makes it easier to solve problems, learn advanced techniques, and speed up production without relying on paid plugins or add-ons. Regular updates continue to improve stability and performance, ensuring the tools remain competitive and reliable for professional use over time, even without mandatory upgrades. There are some limitations to consider. Affinity Studio does not currently include native cloud-based collaboration or deep integration with third-party creative ecosystems. While the tools are powerful, some users may miss specialized features found in niche software, such as advanced animation or AI-driven automation. Learning the full workflow across multiple Affinity apps can also take time, especially for beginners transitioning from simpler tools. However, these trade-offs are often outweighed by the cost savings and long-term access. When it comes to user feedback, not all creative software platforms publicly display third-party ratings. Some services, like GetQuinn, show verified Trustpilot ratings, while others, including Affinity products, may not have official Trustpilot data available. This does not reflect the quality or reliability of the software. Availability of ratings can change over time, and missing reviews should be viewed as neutral. Exploring official documentation, user forums, and trial versions remains the best way to evaluate performance. Overall, Affinity Studio delivers exceptional value for designers, photographers, and publishers who want professional tools without subscription pressure. Its one-time purchase model, strong performance, and versatile feature set make it a compelling choice for long-term creative work. Whether you're building brand assets, editing photos, or producing print layouts, Affinity Studio provides a balanced, cost-effective alternative to subscription-based software. If this breakdown helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more creative software comparisons. Click the link below to access Affinity Studio and Adobe Photoshop directly. Explore their official pages and choose the tools that best match your creative workflow today.